welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the free website builder softwares that you can actually use. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right in. So the first website that we have right here is Jimdo. Jimdo is a website builder platform that offers several benefits for individuals and even businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. So here are some of the benefits of Jimdo. So first is its user-friendly interface. Jimdo provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone, even those with little to no technical knowledge, to create a professional-looking website. It has a drag and drop functionality that allows for effortless customization and content management. So to get started with Jimdo, all you need to do is to click on this Get Started button right there. So it's very good because you can get found on Google step by step, and it also offers expert support on your schedule. So there. And the good thing is that it also has 100% GDPR compliant legal pages for peace of mind. So it is trusted and it's safe to use Jimdo. So you can develop with small businesses and self-employed people, then you can start with this one. And the good thing about Jimdo is that it requires no coding and no complicated tools. So basically for its pricing, we do have these plans available right here. So we have 4 plans. The one that we're going to have is our Play, which is for free. And the other plans that we have right here is your Start. So here are the features of our Play. So all these features and your subdomain. Now for the Start, you have a $9 per month access, and these are its inclusions. Now for Grow, it's for your business website basically. So if you do want to start your online business, then you can have this one, and here are its key features. We also do have our unlimited right here. For the unlimited, we have it for $39 a month, and it's has unlimited storage and a more premium feature compared to Grow. Now let's log into and create a Jimdo account. So to create a Jimdo account, let's click on the login button, and there we can sign up using our Google, our Facebook, or our Apple. Now I'm going to sign up using my Google account, and let me just hit on continue. Alright, so now the first step is that it will show you how to create. So I'm gonna choose the editor for no coding required. But if you are knowledgeable about web coding and graphic design, then you could also use the other one that we have right here. So the good thing about Jimdo is that it will also ask you what's your business idea basically. And then for this one, it's kind of like an AI base, because in a while you will be seeing that they have a page or a website design that is focused on the business that you're in. But let me just input my business idea in this box before I show you that one. So you can tell them what your business is in 1 to 3 sentences. Basically, I tried skipping this part, but we could not skip this part of the process. So I just inputted a very detailed description, but concise and short, of my business idea or the website I'm going to create. There. So say for example, here we have our professional editing, video editing. So they have created a pre-look of how it would look like if I have Jimdo or a website there. Okay, and there. So you can use this, insert images, and basically, as mentioned, it has a drag and drop functionality when um, customizing the website. So you can actually customize your website to match your unique brand identity, and you can modify the fonts, the color, layouts, images, allowing you to create a visually appealing and personalized website. All right, so for our next platform, we have Weebly right here. So Weebly is actually another popular website builder that offers numerous benefits for individuals and businesses that would like to create a professional and functional website. So the benefits of Weebly is that it's an easy to use interface, and it provides user-friendly interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate. It also has a drag and drop functionality that makes it simple to build and customize your website without any coding or technical skills required. So, of course, for people like me who are not professional coders, I would like to choose a website builder that would fit my needs and capabilities basically. So it also have responsive templates. So Weebly offers a wide range of professionally designed and responsive templates. These templates automatically adapt to different screen sizes, and it ensures your website look great on desktop, tablets, and even mobile devices. For your optimization or customization options, you have the flexibility to customize your website to match your brand, and you can easily change the colors, fonts, layouts, and add your own images and content to create a unique and personalized website basically. It also includes a built-in SEO tool that helps optimize your website for search engines. And here are the prices for Weebly. So we do have our free, which costs free. Personal costs $10 a month. For professional, you have it $12 a month, and for performance, that's $26 a month. But those prices shown are billed annually. If you're going to have a month to month, it will be higher in cost. So for personal, it costs $13. For professional, it costs $16, and for performance, it would choose or opt to have $26. Now let's select our basic plan right here. So to sign up, you just need to input all the informations needed in this box. Once all information has been filled up, you will basically be routed in this section. So choose what kind of website you need, and there, you can select a theme for your website. Now let's continue and let's start editing. Then input your selected domain. Okay. So if you're gonna have a professional site, you might need to upgrade. Basically, you can just opt to have like the free domains that Weebly actually offers. So there, we have our subdomain and hit on done. Now here in the left-hand panel, you can actually see your options on how you can build and edit. You could also integrate applications onto your Weebly. And there in the settings, you can edit your settings and tweak some changes. All right, now moving on to our last website right here. Now we do have Twix. So Wix offers a user-friendly website builder platform with stunning templates, extensive customization options, e-commerce functionality, SEO tools, reliable hosting, and a range of support resources. So whether you're a beginner or experienced user, Wix provides the tools and features necessary to create a professional and feature-rich website. So basically, I have been using Wix for quite a long time already, and I have used this in creating a blog post of mine. So I just used um the basic one that we have, or the free Wix website that we do have. Now, with Wix, actually, I do not have any problem with it. However, one thing that I dislike is that with Wix, it has a slower connection, especially if your laptop is not in a higher spec, then you would have a lot of time, or it would take some time for you to edit your website, basically. And it may take time to load, right? So when you're editing in your Wix, you need to close all the tabs and also make sure that your connection is fast and easygoing. So as you can see in the screen, you would see that it's actually quite loading, but basically this is how it looks like when you would like to edit your website. Okay. So again, Wix, like just Jimdo and Weebly, it actually offers a no code editing, and it's very easy to use. We also have the drag and drop option right there, so which is very good. And you could also see your mobile view if you would want to. Now here in the left hand side, you can actually see your panels. So there you can actually use those um, options to edit your site page, your menu, your blog pages, and whatnot. There. If you want to start your business with Wix, you might need to upgrade your plan onto your to business account or e-commerce account. But basically, if you just want to have the basic blogging, then Wix is actually a very good website for you guys. This is how my blog looks like. All right. So basically, those are the platforms that we actually do have, or those are the three platforms that you can choose from in starting your website. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you so much for watching.